All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about something that has a hold on pretty much all of us every single day, the algorithm's grip.
I mean, really think about it. You grab your phone, maybe you're just looking to chill out for a few minutes, see what your friends are up to, and then you put it down feeling worse, just kind of drained, a little hollow, maybe even a bit jealous. If that sounds even remotely familiar, you are definitely not alone.
You know, it sounds dramatic, almost like something from a sci-fi movie, right? But what if the very apps we love are built with these little hidden psychological triggers? Tricks designed to keep you scrolling, keep you comparing, and yeah, ultimately, to keep you feeling just a little bit worse about yourself. Today, we're going to pull back that curtain.
So first things first, we need to understand what we're actually looking at when we're online. And the honest truth is, it's mostly an illusion, a really, really well-crafted one. Think about your feed. It's packed with perfect vacations, flawless selfies, incredible meals, and these picture-perfect lives. It's this never-ending stream of everyone else's greatest hits, all polished up for the world to see. But that's all it is, just the highlights.
And this right here just shows that disconnect perfectly. On one side, you've got real life. You know, the messy room, the burnt toast, the bad hair days, all of it. And on the other side, you've got the social media version. The perfect photo, angled just so, with the perfect filter. We're only seeing the final, polished product, never the messy reality behind it. So, seeing all of this perfection, it leads us straight into something way more damaging. Because when we're surrounded by these constant highlight reels, it's only human to start comparing. And that, right there, that's the trap.
This quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? We're taking our entire complicated messy reality, our behind the scenes, and we're putting it up against someone else's carefully edited, totally fictional highlight. It's a game we literally can't win.
Hey, this isn't just a hunch or a feeling. The data completely backs it up. You can see the trend right here. Study after study is showing us that the more time we spend lost in these perfect online worlds, the higher our rates of anxiety and depression go, and the lower our own happiness becomes. That constant, unfair comparison, it takes a real, measurable toll on us.
So why do we keep doing it? I mean, if it makes us feel so bad, why is it so ridiculously hard to just put the phone down? Well, it's because there's this powerful engine humming away behind the scenes, and it's designed for one thing and one thing only, to keep you hooked.
Let me introduce you to the attention algorithm. See, its job isn't to care about your well-being. Its job is to get maximum engagement, your eyeballs on the screen. And it does this using a trick straight out of a casino. It's like a slot machine. You never know if the next scroll, the next pull of the lever is going to give you something amazing or something totally boring. And that uncertainty is exactly what keeps you playing. And here's how that slot machine works in real time. It's a simple but crazy powerful loop. First, you react to something. Maybe you pause on a post that makes you feel a little jealous or angry, or even just super excited. Step 2, the algorithm sees that. It learns, aha, that got an emotional reaction. And step 3, it starts showing you more and more of whatever it was that triggered you, making sure your feed is perfectly optimized to keep you emotionally invested and scrolling.
So this is the really important part to get. Your sense of choice, your feeling of being in control, it's slowly being chipped away. You might think you're the one deciding what to look at, but every single second you're on that app, the algorithm is getting smarter and smarter at choosing content for you, content that it knows will keep you there, often way longer than you ever planned.
Okay, but listen, this isn't all doom and gloom. Not at all. This is about awareness, because once you actually understand how the game is played, you can start to change the rules. You can start to consciously take back your own attention one scroll at a time. So the next time you find yourself opening up one of these apps, I want you to just pause and ask yourself this one simple question. Am I here for a reason? Like to check on a friend, or to look up a recipe, or have I just kind of fallen into a zombie scroll, you know? Just asking that question is often enough to break the spell.
Honestly, this is a conversation we all need to be having more often. So let's talk about it. Down in the comments, what's your biggest struggle when it comes to social media? And what's maybe one small thing you do to fight back? Let's help each other out and build a little toolkit together.
At the end of the day, just remember this. Awareness is your superpower here. You can curate your own feed. Go ahead and unfollow accounts that consistently make you feel bad about yourself. You can turn off all those notifications to break that cycle of constant interruption. You can even set time limits. Once you understand the algorithm's grip, you can start to loosen it. So stay aware and stay in control.